Elizabeth is a distressed owner of a salon. She's getting moderate customers and not able to generate more revenue. In fact, her recurring customers are choosing some other salon over hers. So, in a quest to find her competitor's success, Elizabeth visits the salon. She's surprised to see that many tasks are automated there. Also, they're providing many services by going to the customer's house. So, when she sees the salon owner, Elizabeth couldn't help but ask her what they are doing. The salon owner, Helen, tells Elizabeth that she's using CereHome, the online marketplace app. The amazing features of CereHome, such as real-time booking, multiple payment modes, in-app chat, push notifications, etc., attract customers. Customers book the services, and she sends her employees to complete the services. Elizabeth was relieved to know that CereHome is a ready-to-use product and she can buy it instantly to benefit her business. CereHome also includes services such as plumbing, electrical, home cleaning, beauty or salon services, car wash, pest control, fitness coach, maids, dog walking, physiotherapy. Get in touch with Cerebrum Infotech to know about the endless opportunities CereHome brings for your business.